10 situations where it's best to walk away. Life is full of twists and turns, and sometimes knowing when to walk away can be the most important decision you make. Whether it's a toxic relationship, a dead-end job, or a risky situation, recognizing when to remove yourself from a harmful or unproductive environment is crucial for your well-being and success. Toxic relationships. Toxic relationships can come in many forms, but they all share one common trait. They drain you emotionally, mentally, and sometimes even physically. These relationships often thrive on negativity, with constant criticism, manipulation, and lack of respect becoming the norm. Whether it's a romantic partner who belittles your achievements, a friend who constantly undermines your confidence, or a family member who refuses to acknowledge your boundaries, toxic relationships can leave you feeling depleted and devalued. Walking away from such relationships can be incredibly challenging, especially if there are deep emotional ties or a sense of obligation involved. Setting boundaries is crucial when dealing with toxic relationships. Abusive situations. Abusive situations are among the most dangerous and damaging experiences one can face. Whether it's physical, emotional, or psychological abuse, the effects can be devastating, leaving scars that may last a lifetime. In abusive relationships, power dynamics are often skewed, with one person exerting control and dominance over the other through fear, intimidation, and manipulation. Signs of abuse may include physical violence, verbal threats, emotional manipulation, isolation from friends and family, and financial control. Leaving an abusive situation is often easier said than done, as abusers may use tactics such as guilt-tripping, gaslighting, or threats to keep their victims trapped in the cycle of abuse. However, it's important to remember that abuse is never justified or acceptable, and you have the right to protect yourself and seek help. Dead-end jobs. Dead-end jobs can feel like being stuck in a hamster wheel. You're putting in the time and effort, but there's little to no opportunity for advancement or personal growth. These jobs often lack challenge, recognition, and fulfillment, leaving you feeling stagnant and unfulfilled in your career. Signs of a dead-end job may include minimal opportunities for promotion, repetitive tasks with no variation, and a lack of appreciation or acknowledgement for your contributions. While it's natural to experience periods of plateau in your career, staying in a dead-end job for too long can hinder your professional development and overall job satisfaction. Leaving a dead-end job can feel daunting, especially if you're unsure of what your next step will be. Unhealthy habits and addictions. Unhealthy habits and addictions can have a detrimental impact on your physical, mental, and emotional well-being, making it essential to recognize when it's time to walk away and seek help. Whether it's smoking, excessive drinking, substance abuse, or compulsive behaviors, these habits can quickly spiral out of control, leading to serious health problems, strained relationships, and a diminished quality of life. Signs of addiction may include cravings, withdrawal symptoms, loss of control over your behavior, and neglecting responsibilities in favor of feeding your addiction. Breaking free from addiction often requires professional help and support from friends, family, or support groups. Toxic work environments. Toxic work environments can poison your professional life, leaving you feeling stressed, demoralized, and unhappy. These environments are characterized by negativity, poor communication, lack of support from management, and a general sense of distrust and dissatisfaction among employees. Signs of a toxic work environment may include high turnover rates, frequent conflicts among coworkers, micromanagement, and a culture of blame and finger-pointing. Leaving a toxic work environment requires careful planning and consideration of your options. Before making the decision to walk away, it's important to assess your financial situation, update your resume, and explore potential job opportunities. Negative friendships. Negative friendships can have a significant impact on your mental and emotional well-being, draining your energy and leaving you feeling unhappy and unfulfilled. These friendships may be characterized by constant criticism, jealousy, gossip, and a lack of support or empathy. Signs of a negative friendship may include feeling drained or exhausted after spending time with the person, experiencing anxiety or stress when interacting with them, and noticing a pattern of one-sidedness or manipulation in the relationship. Ending a negative friendship requires setting boundaries and prioritizing your own well-being. It's important to communicate your feelings openly and honestly with the other person, expressing your concerns and explaining why you feel the relationship is no longer healthy for you. Financial strain. Financial strain can be a significant source of stress and anxiety, impacting every aspect of your life from your relationships to your physical and mental health. Whether it's due to mounting debt, unemployment, or living beyond your means, struggling financially can leave you feeling overwhelmed and helpless. Signs of financial strain may include difficulty paying bills, borrowing money from friends or family, and constant worry about your financial situation. While it's natural to experience financial ups and downs, staying in a perpetual state of financial strain can have long-term consequences for your well-being. Toxic work relationships. Toxic work relationships can poison the atmosphere of your workplace, creating tension, conflict, and negativity among coworkers. These relationships may be characterized by gossip, backstabbing, manipulation, and a general lack of trust and respect. Signs of toxic work relationships may include feeling isolated or excluded from your coworkers, experiencing frequent conflicts or disagreements, and noticing a pattern of undermining or sabotage in your interactions. While it's natural for workplace dynamics to be challenging at times, staying in toxic work relationships can erode your morale and productivity, ultimately affecting your career success and satisfaction. Navigating toxic work relationships requires setting boundaries and maintaining professionalism in your interactions. Stagnant personal growth. Stagnant personal growth can leave you feeling stuck and unfulfilled, preventing you from reaching your full potential and living a meaningful life. Whether it's due to fear of failure, lack of motivation, or resistance to change, staying in a state of stagnation can hinder your personal development and overall happiness. Signs of stagnant personal growth may include feeling bored or uninspired in your daily life, experiencing a lack of direction or purpose, and noticing a pattern of repeating the same behaviors or making the same mistakes. Breaking free from stagnant personal growth requires taking proactive steps to challenge yourself and pursue new experiences and opportunities. This may involve setting goals, stepping out of your comfort zone, and seeking out new hobbies or interests that ignite your passion and creativity. Negative self-talk and limiting beliefs. Negative self-talk and limiting beliefs can hold you back from reaching your full potential, undermining your confidence and self-esteem. Whether it's doubting your abilities, comparing yourself to others, or focusing on your flaws and shortcomings, negative self-talk can create a self-perpetuating cycle of negativity that stifles your personal and professional growth. Signs of negative self-talk and limiting beliefs may include feeling unworthy or undeserving of success, avoiding challenges or opportunities for fear of failure, and experiencing persistent feelings of self-doubt or inadequacy. Breaking free from negative self-talk and limiting beliefs requires challenging your inner critic and reframing negative thoughts into positive affirmations. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.